Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites and taking the first decisive actions. Make sure the device has 20% battery or is plugged in. Once done, connect the original cable to a trusted computer. You will need drivers or an official tool installed, so check that now. Identify the exact recovery prompt or error code because that determines the method. Once identified, restart the device into the same recovery environment using the hardware key combo. Hold the listed keys until the screen updates. This confirms we are in the right state. Once in recovery, you proceed with the core cancel steps. If the recovery UI shows a cancel or back option, select it and confirm. This cleanly exits recovery in most cases. If the UI is absent, run the verified command from your computer. For example, ADB shell recovery abort or fastboot OEM cancel recovery. These commands stop the recovery sequence. Be attentive to prompts and status messages. Do not disconnect the cable. Make sure to wait for a confirmation that the bootloader or recovery returned to normal. You finish by rebooting and verifying the device boots normally. Once done, check key apps and data for integrity. If the device remains in recovery or loops, try the same cancel steps with a different USB cable, port, or another computer. This resolves many connection issues. If that fails, use an alternate official recovery tool or reflash the stock firmware from a verified package. As a safeguard, restore from your backup only after confirming the device is stable and charging correctly. Then test basic functions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.